Are you still managing customers in Excel or notebooks in 2026? If yes, then you might making mistakes. Let's be honest, many times we forget to follow up, leads may slowly fade away and customers stop replying. At the end of the month, we don't even know where the sales were lost. This is exactly where CRM comes in. CRM means Customer Relationship Management. It is a software that keeps all customer information, detail and conversation in one place. No confusion, no mess. Imagine someone messages you today, you call them tomorrow, follow up next week, and 2 weeks later, they make a purchase. With a CRM, you can track the whole journey from the first message to sales without even using Excel. You can get an automatic follow-up reminder so you never miss a lead or a deal. You can manage your sales pipeline step by step without confusion and messy spreadsheet. You can also easily collaborate with your team where everyone sees the same updated information. For example, when employee A talks to a lead in the morning, employee B can see the same update notes in the afternoon. So, there is no confusion and no repetitive call to the same customer. You can see the clear dashboards that shows what is working, what needs attention, and where the sales are dropping. Lastly, you can access customer information anytime and keep everything updated in one place. And also, you get a real-time updates, so your decisions are based on live data, not old reports. This means no mislead, faster follow-up, and customers who feel heard and not ignored. Your team always knows the next step. Your sales stay organized and the deal moves forward smoothly, no chaos, no pressure. You stop chasing leads and start closing them.